is an update on Lekki Pride I. Lekki Pride I is strategically located at Ajah. Immediately you descend the Jubilee Bridge in Ajah, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Before you get to Abraham Adesoya traffic lights, we've been walking and here we've done our allocation. Here we did allocation last year for our subscriber that they finished their payment. We are still working because when we allocated that, we are still trying to fix some of the things, but as we are moving very fast to this time, because we're actually looking at March, April to finish everything and for all our clients can move into this. And here we sold out on 2-bedroom apartments and 3-bedroom apartments. So what we have left is 1-bedroom apartments. So our 1-bedroom apartment, there is going to be price increase by 15th of February 2025, and that is why I need to come here again to come and show you the progress of this place. And I want to tell you, don't wait till 15th of February 2025 to make up your mind on investing here. Ajah is central, and this place from here to Lekki Expressway is less than 2 minutes drive. If you are walking, let's say you walk like 5 minutes. So I'm telling you, it is very, very close to the express. If you are going back to Lekki Phase 1, you are not going to pass the traffic lights, then you can move back to Lekki Phase 1. And if you check this area very well, this area, 1-bedroom apartment that I'm telling you, when you want to rent it out, you'll be renting it out as high as 1.5 to 2 million naira. And if you want to use it for short lets, then this is a very good one for short lets. You know, 1-bedroom apartments, you know, people can lodge there per night around this axis. We are looking at 70,000 per night. So if you can manage it very well, you know, within short period of time, you will get back your money that you use to purchase our 1-bedroom apartment. As of today, our 1-bedroom apartment is going for 50 million naira in Ajah, Lagos State, Nigeria. I'm not talking about Abidjan. I'm not talking about Shangotedo. This is 50 million naira 1-bedroom apartment, and is very, very spacious. The kitchen is open plan and the room is en suite. So to tell you that this is another investment I don't want you to look away from. So by 15th of February 2025, this will be going for 60 million naira. I don't want you to pay the new price, and that is why you need to lock your units now. With initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can spread your payment for 12 months, but you're spreading it for 6 months, is interest free. And even before you finish paying, let's say 6 months, this place will be ready. You finish your payment, you get your units. And if you're spreading for 12 months, we can't say you should not spread for 12 months. You know that when you finish your payment for 12 months, then you have access to your house. So like I made mention, initial deposit is 10 million naira and you can spread your payment. So 0 to 6 months is interest free. When you are spreading more than 6 months, you pay little interest. Lekki Pride I is sharing boundary with Royal Garden Estates. So if you know Royal Garden Estates, you know it's really royal. And when the estate is sharing boundary with it, you should understand what I mean. And here we have supermart around. We have gender supermart that is very close to this place. Less than 2 minutes drive, you get to gender supermart. We have Blanco supermart. We have Sky Mall, where we have a cinema. And if you want to visit the Nover Mall, which is in Shangotedo, the biggest mall in Lagos, we are talking about less than 10 minutes drive to Nover Mall. So what I'm telling you is this place is strategic, yes. And from here to resorts, maybe you are going to Attica, Barracuda, Country Home. Yes, resorts, we have a lot of resorts here. From here to where we have resorts, we'll be driving 10 minutes drive. So this is strategic. It is very, very strategic. And I'm calling on all my clients in diaspora to key into this. Instead of you will come home and you will just go and be renting short lets or hotel. Then this is your place. This is your home. You can invest now and you furnish it to your taste. Anytime you are not around, you put it for short let. And when you are around, you don't need to pay anything. So this is the high time to invest here. This is Lekki Pride 1. This is Ajah, Lagos State, Nigeria. This is another opportunity for us to remind our clients, maybe you've made inquiry on Lekki Pride 1. This is a remembrance for you that we still have few units of one-bedroom apartments here. Like I made mention, our duplexes are sold out. We have residents here. They are living here already.
So we only bring you the best deal on the market, and Lekki Pride wants to tick all the boxes in terms of location, title, in terms of building a home that is filled with sophistication, elegance, and if you're looking for where you can earn for a lifetime, Lekki Pride wants to tick all the boxes. Like we said, this is in Ajah, this is Ajiwe, this is just 2 minutes to the Lekki Ekpe Expressway, just before Abraham Adesoya traffic light. So I want you to key into this project right away. We have one bed. We have just few units available for you to key into before the price goes up. Yes, you have just little time to key into this project with 10 million naira initial deposits, and you can spread your balance for 12 months. In less than 12 months, this project will be completed, but we are still giving you room to key into this and still spread your payment for 12 months. On the 15th of February, this apartment selling for 50 million naira will be increasing in price, and it will be selling for 60 million naira. I know you don't want to buy at an higher price, so I want you to call the number shown on your screen right away so you can get started. Like I said, this tick all the boxes. This is Ajah. This has the perfect title, which is governor's consent in our company's name. So this is just where you want to be, and the one-bedroom apartment is very, very spacious. Yes, I will overlay it so you see it. It is very spacious, and we are about 90% done already. You can see that we are already doing the tiling, we are already fixing furniture, the bathrooms, the sanitary wares, everything, the wiring, the plumbing work, they are already done. So within 3 to 4 months we'll be done with this project. Like I said, you don't need to break the bank to get started. With initial deposits of 10 million naira, you can get started and spread payment for 12 months. So this is the perfect buy for you. This is one of the best investments out there that you can key into. You can choose to live here, or you can choose to run short-let with your apartment, and you'll be earning massively. Yes, short-let apartments is of high demand in these houses. Yes, Ajah has this because this is a good location, because it has very good connectivity to various places. If you are going to Shango, Tedo, Ekpe, it's very good. If you are going towards Lekki, it's in a very good location. And where we have Lekki Pride 1 is just the best place. Looking for a blend of luxury, sophistication, and elegance, you get everything right here at the Lekki Pride 1. So I don't want you to hesitate. Like you can see our semi-detached duplexes, we already delivered them to the client. So we are not a company that will promise and fail. Yes, people are already living in the estate. You can see it for yourself that our semi-detached duplexes, we have 23 of them, and they're already delivered to their owners. And it is so amazing when you see the smile and satisfaction on our clients' faces. So we just want you to be part of this investment opportunity. You can live here if you are maybe a bachelor, a spinster, or you are in diaspora and you want to come to Nigeria once in a while for one purpose or the other. You can choose to own this yourself. So whenever you come to Nigeria, you can stay there, and when you are not around, you can let it out for short let. So this is a good investment opportunity. Don't forget, the price is going up on the 15th of February. Right now, you can still key into this for 50 million naira, one-bedroom apartment, which includes the sitting room, the kitchen, one bedroom, and they are very, very spacious. This is just exactly what you have been looking for. So I want you to call the number showing on your screen so you can get started. This is a fantastic investment opportunity, and you just have to do the needful by calling the number on the screen so that we get you started. If you are coming across our channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Properties. This is the best channel for you to be in. Yes, Lekki Pride 1 is about to increase in price. So take that bold step and key into this project right away. We'll be expecting your call. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.